No matter how we want to look at it, it'll never work like that. I don't think so. I don't think it's ever gonna happen. I just can't see it.
I see what you're saying.
I just can't see it. Especially it's been happening for thousands of years. So, like it's just not gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? I think it's natural in the way nature works for us to just have to separate and divide. Because even animals divide like that. Even monkeys break down in tribes. How the fuck do they even know that we're not just all the same kind of monkey? Like them niggas break away and they run in zebra. They run in packs. Like motherfuckers, the lions. They got their packs. Like they run in packs. Like everybody divides.
I